Congratulations on purchasing the AVS Aeroskin Hood Shield. Your new AVS Aeroskin Hood Shield is handcrafted and styled to flow with the existing lines and contours of your vehicle. In fact, the AVS Aeroskin Hood Shield easily flush mounts to your hood with no hardware or drilling required. Crafted from tough acrylic, your AVS Aeroskin Hood Shield features a low-profile aerodynamic design. Installing quickly for a skin-tight fit, it's a great look and maximum protection for your hood. The installation process takes less than 10 minutes. Take a look and get started. First, you'll want to test fit the AVS Aeroskin Hood Shield onto your vehicle to ensure it's going to contour to your vehicle's shape. Next, you'll want to thoroughly clean the surface or hood of your car. You can wash with soap and water or use the alcohol swabs in your kit to clean the surface where the Aeroskin will be applied. Partially remove the backing from the adhesive strip, peeling back the corners and a section in the center of the Aeroskin Hood Shield. Attach the Aeroskin to the hood of your truck, carefully aligning each corner. Once aligned, gently peel back the remaining backing from the adhesive strip. As the backing is removed, you'll want to firmly press the Aeroskin into place. See how simple? In just minutes, you have a leading-edge protection with a touch of style. And don't forget to visit our website for more innovative products and special offers.